Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Tech Tuesday with Hannah. This week we're going to be unboxing the all-new LG Q70. This smartphone features a high-resolution dual camera as well as an AI camera. It provides a creative eye for you to get your perfect shot. The AI cam analyzes subjects in your frame and provides easy recommendations on how to improve your picture. And if the back camera is not enough to convince you, the front camera offers portrait mode on a 16-megapixel camera, making your selfies look extra professional. Not to mention the Q70 also offers superior surround sound, giving you a cinematic experience everywhere you go. Follow the link at the end of the video to monitor SmartCell's website for the release of the Q70. That's it for today. See you next week for another edition of Tech Tuesday.